Okay, today I'm going to be showing you all my fireworks. So first off is, let's see, got some Roman candles, if you can see that. They are 8 balls, says it right there. Both of them, we got 2 of those type. We got a package. The best deal you can get this one is you can get a package with a ton of great stuff in it. More Roman candles, except these are only 5 balls. There you get 4 of those. There's a package for $10, yeah, that you can get. So yeah, we got some sparklers, a lot of those. Different types of like sparklers, different types. These are just one-colored sparklers, as you can see. And we have those. Let's see, what are these? Smoke bombs. Does not have a description, but you probably know what they are if you're watching the video. This is a fountain. Yeah, there we go, fountain. And here, let's get on to my other stuff. I have no idea what these are. It showers the sparks, is what it does. They're called ice torches. I don't know what they are, but I bought them. There's colors on the bottom, so I'm guessing they shower different colored sparks. And then we have these flowers, which is of one brand. And then in the package we got another brand of flowers like that. We have our big fountain. Let's see, what's it do? Element showers the sparks carefully. Read warning on whatever. And we have a smaller fountain. They don't look different, but if I hold these up for you guys, there's a difference. This also came in the packet. It's a big firework, I'm guessing. These are one of my favorites. Twinkling stars. They're awesome. Get those. It's, let's see, I think it's like 5 or 7, like 7 shot. 2 mini tanks, 2 little tanks, like that. They move and sparks shoot out and all that stuff. So yeah, I will do that. And then we got, I don't know what this thing is, but I got that. I think it spins up with sparks shooting out. I got some jumping jacks, different brands of jumping jacks. I got this brand. I guess they're different brands, but I don't know. On that brand. I got 3 of those. And then I got a big cherry bomb box. Like one of those giant cherry bomb ones. Came in the packet also. Some 3 snakes. 3 sets of snakes. So yeah. And then we got a parachute. Glow, it's a night parachute. Like that. Yeah, this is new, apparently. It looks. But it is something shot. I don't know. It's like 4 to 5 shot, I'm guessing. Now this is smaller. It's about my hand and my size of my hand. It's 48 shot. It's got 1 big shot in the middle and kind of little shots. So I'm guessing that'll look good. And oh yeah, we have 3 black cats. This year we decided to get the egg-laying hen, which we've had before. This year we have never found this one. The Poopy Puppy. always get bottle rockets. And then we have some streamers, I guess. And then we have different types of pops. There's 3 different types of pops. We have a lot of pops. We have Dixie Pops, Cherry Boom Pops, and Mega Snaps. They're like they're snaps, whatever you want to call them. But yeah, there. And then, sorry about that. My grand finale is gonna be if you like that, get this one. It's awesome. It's called Funny Face Rockets. They're like $4 a piece. But yeah, they're really long. And then with that, I got a rocket. Like, I don't know what it does. And a butterfly rocket from my sister. And let's see, am I leaving anything out? Pretty sure I should do the smoke bombs and everything. But other than that, I got that. And then I'll just show you all of it at once. And then I'll be doing a video on just that pack that you can get. And that's all my fireworks. There's rockets over there. But yeah, those are all my fireworks. Bye, guys.